These are some of the best affordable 5G durable smartphones of 2025. In this video, I'll be mentioning durable smartphones that are very affordable, as low as $300, and they support 5G connectivity. And as I mentioned earlier, they are durable devices, so they are rated IP68 and IP69K. They are also military grade standard 810H certified. Anyway, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's check them out. So one of the standout features of the Xever 7 Pro is the hot swappable battery, a 5500 mAh battery pack that you can replace mid-use. Thanks to a tiny 80 mAh internal reserve, the device would stay powered for up to 3 minutes while you swap batteries, with a countdown display to ensure a seamless transition. Additionally, a spare battery and an extra back cover comes in the box. This is amazing, guys. Another standout feature is the fact that the device supports eSIM, but it depends on region. The last thing that makes this device even more special is the fact that we get 3 years of OS upgrades, guys. This device would receive regular OS upgrades. It's going to receive Android 16 updates, Android 17 and Android 18 via OTA. So additional features includes a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The device also supports always-on display and Wi-Fi L1, and it has 2200 nits peak brightness, making it ideal for outdoor visibility. It's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7025 octa-core 5G processor paired with 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage, expandable up to 2TB. In the camera department, the device features a triple rear camera setup including a 50MP OIS main sensor, a 64MP night vision camera, and a FLIR Lepton 3.5 thermal imaging module. And on the front is a 32MP selfie shooter. The phone is IP68, IP69K and military grade standard 810H certified. The device also supports side mounted fingerprint sensor, hardware button, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and a glare flashlight for emergencies. There's no official price yet, and I don't know the official release date yet, but once I get more details about the price and release date of the Xever 7 series, I'll definitely share with you guys. Anyway, what are your thoughts? Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Three things makes this device unique. One is its super bright camping light. Second is its powerful 3-watt speaker with a 128 decibel loudness. And third is its 16,000 mAh battery. More details about that later. Anyway, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into its top features. So the Oukitel WP56 is a rugged smartphone built for durability and long-lasting performance. Its imposing 24.8mm thickness and 524 grams weight emphasize its robust design, reinforced by military-grade standard 810H, IP68 and IP69K ratings for extreme protection against drops, water, and dust. The device boasts a large 6.78-inch Full HD Plus 120Hz display with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection, offering a smooth and vibrant visual experience at 1080 by 2460 resolution. Powering the WP56 is the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 octa-core 2.6 GHz processor paired with a Mali G68 MC4 GPU, which collectively achieved an impressive ANTU-10 score of about 560,000. Memory and storage are generous with 12GB of expandable RAM and a massive 512GB of internal storage that can also be expanded up to 2TB via a microSD card. Running on Android 15, the WP56 is equipped for future updates. Now, photography is handled by a 108MP main camera with f1.88 aperture and 4K video recording capabilities, complemented by a 2MP macro lens, and of course there's a 32MP front camera that is capable of recording 1080p videos and taking really nice selfies. As I mentioned earlier, the device features a 16,000 mAh battery and it supports 45 watts fast charging and 18 watts reverse charging. This translates to exceptional endurance. According to Oukitel, the device achieved about 1,818 hours of standby time which is impressive. Connectivity options are comprehensive, including Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and of course we got navigation systems like GPS and the others all supported. The device also supports NFC, FM radio, and 5G connectivity. It also has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, face unlock, OTG, and so on. So these are the top features of the Oukitel WP56. Anyway, the Xplore One is a rugged beast built for extreme durability and high performance. It comes in black and orange colorways, and it measures 29.5mm thick and weighs 638 grams. Running on the DualOS 4.2 based on Android 15, this device boasts a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus IPS display with a 1080 by 2460 resolution, protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass 5 and offering a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. There's also a 2-inch secondary screen with a 240 by 296 resolution for extra utility. Powering the Xplore One is the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 octa-core 5G chipset built on a 6nm process and clocked up to 2.4 GHz. You get two storage options, including 12GB RAM with 256GB internal storage or 16GB RAM with 512GB UFS 4.0 storage, plus support for up to 2TB TF card expansion. Fueling it all is a massive 20,000 mAh battery with 55 watts fast charging and reverse charging support. And in the camera department, you get a 50MP Samsung ISOCELL JN1 front camera and a dual rear camera setup featuring a 64MP main sensor and a 20MP night vision camera. Audio is handled by a smart K-Box speaker. The device is also rated IP68 and IP69K and military grade standard 810H for rugged reliability. For navigation, it supports GPS and other essential navigation systems. Other features include dual SIM, a side-mounted fingerprint scanner which is embedded on its power button, and face unlock. It also supports glove mode, which means you could operate this device while wearing gloves, NFC, dual 5G voice over LTE, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.2. These are just some of its top features. Anyway, what do you think about the Blackview Xplore One? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out. So these are some of the best affordable 5G durable smartphones of 2025. What are your thoughts? Which device do you think is best in your opinion? Which one do you prefer in your opinion? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.